Let's learn how to build a maintenance request form. Our organization's primary goals for our Impulse implementation is to manage requests for maintenance. We were told that the maintenance requesting system is the fastest area of the program to start using effectively. We currently need two different request forms, one for facility maintenance requests and one for machine operator maintenance requests. I'm logged in as an Impulse manager and have already built a form that will help me view and process the maintenance requests that are being submitted throughout our company. This form is still way too much detail for our requesters that simply need to fill out a form and submit their maintenance requests. The facility group only needs a few fields and to provide comments to explain their need. The operator group, on the other hand, needs to provide us with much more detail pertaining to their need, so I've included more opportunity for them to clarify their requests. Details like failure code, reason code, specific asset, and the inventory that's needed to address the issue they're bringing to our attention. As an Impulse manager, I'm able to build these forms because my user group has access to the tools to make the necessary changes to accomplish this goal. I'm able to navigate to Management Tools, Security Setup, Group Setup to first address these two user groups. While managing the user group, I'm able to set access down to the section of the record, deciding if the user group needs full access, read-only, or no access to a section of the record. I can also determine if the requester group needs to be able to link assets and inventory to the maintenance request record. Once that's dialed in, I stay in Management Tools, Security Setup, but now I navigate to Field Security to further clean up my maintenance request forms so the requesters only see the fields that are relevant to what they're needing to communicate. I select the record area Maintenance Request Records, and then select the field that I need to set security against. Now I can decide what user groups need full access, read-only, or no access to the selected field on the maintenance request records. And in a few minutes, I have a form that can easily be used by my two types of maintenance requesters. Our consultant was right, this didn't take long at all. Now I'm on to the next Let's Learn video on the topic of setting up notifications related to all these maintenance requests that are going to come in. For questions about this topic or any other topic, feel free to email us at support@impulsesoftware.com or give us a call at 800-944-1796.